Hi, this is Dr. Angela Cavett. I'm a licensed psychologist and registered play therapist supervisor at Chrysalis Behavioral Health Services and Training Center, and I invite you to come with me on a tour of the little village in my play therapy room. So we'll start the tour looking at the homes. So there are 4 different homes in my play therapy room. They allow children to be able to show different experiences that they've had and different themes in their play. Having more than one home allows kids to be able to represent things like mom's house versus dad's house. And it also helps for kids who have been adopted to be able to show birth home or birth family, an adoptive family. And children in foster care often go back and forth between their birth family and foster family, and children who experience parental divorce also benefit from being able to use play therapy and show different experiences. There also is a hospital, and the hospital is helpful for kids who have major medical concerns or who have had a sibling who have had major medical concerns, or if they have grandparents or parents who either have medical concerns or have passed away. The hospital is often used in their play therapy. There also is a police station, and many children have experienced interactions with the police. For example, if they've had a car accident or if they've gone into foster care. And sometimes children have parents who have been incarcerated, and they often need to use a modality like play therapy to be able to represent what they have experienced and how they perceive their parents to be when they're in jail, and things around reunification and being able to have a relationship with parents who are incarcerated. There also is a fire station, and sometimes children use this when they need to process themes around danger and needing someone to provide safety for them. Sometimes they also have had a fire in their own lives. There's also a school, and children show different things around their experiences with siblings, with classmates, and with teachers, both in the school and on the playground. Or in daycare as well. And along with the buildings, there are different bins that have, for example, humans across genders and ethnicities, as well as different options, for example, with farm animals or fences or doors or superheroes. And I have a tree house and a castle, because sometimes kids need to be able to show some distance from what they have experienced, and themes in their play help them be able to cope and learn how to look at their lives in a way that can be beneficial to them. And especially in North Dakota, it's helpful to have things like a farm. I have a farm because many of my little ones that come to play therapy, they either live on a farm or often they have at least some family members that do, and so often they've had experiences related to farming. And I have a courthouse for kids who have either had to go to court or do have to go to court, or their parents either have to go to the courthouse either to marry or divorce or to have things related to custody. So children use the little village in the play therapy room to work on different themes and to express their experiences in a way that can be beneficial to them and help them make changes so that they can work on their emotions and their behaviors and integrate their life experiences through the play therapy. Thank you so much for coming on this tour, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.